Okay guys, we're going to have a party in the bubbles, as it says here, with my bubble machine. I was sent this bubble machine to review it and see how it works. It's 4 pieces. It says it's... Well, let's look at what it says, okay? And see if you can help me decipher this. 4 pieces, battery, 5-volt amp. Is that A for amp? But usually AMP, right? With auto blow system. My bubble machine. It's extremely safe and sturdy ABS material. Okay. Extremely easy usage. Another reason why you should have this bubble toy. Bubble is spelled wrong. Just in case you guys want to notice that, the manufacturer. It gives you an easiness for the usage. Well, that sounds wonderful. It's really easy to use with on-off switch. It will constantly expend more of 500 bubbles / minute with its auto blow system. High quality ABS material. We are all aware that kids love this bubble machine because it provides long hours of glee. Our machine is made of best quality and hazard-free ABS material that gives your children the healthy toy with safety standards of the U.S. guarantee that it does not contain any toxic in material. Therefore, it is an awesome toy for your toddler. Have a party in the bubbles. So, full of joy, okay? Non-toxic bubble. There is bubbles machine / toy. Highly durable and heavy-duty toy. All right, so let's see. 500 bubbles per minute. Bonus 8 ounces of bubble solution. Okay, so we got these bands. I don't know what these are. Take out our bubble machine. We've got this. Whoops. We have this. We have an electrical plug, bubble solution, and instructions. Okay, so step 1, move the handle backward. Well, I think step 1 should be removed from plastic, right? Okay. Let's see. All right. Now, step 1, move the handle backward, open the lid, and remove all the batteries. Okay. Something's wrong with this picture, but okay, there's no batteries to remove. Okay, good. Step 2, loosen the 4 screws. Remove the rubber on this part carefully. This looks like maintenance. Okay, oh, this is if your bubble machine stopped working. Okay, now, how to clean the shaft rod. Okay, so we don't have to do any of that. And we're not going to use the batteries because we're going to plug it in, okay? All right. Here's what you need to do in case the wheel got stuck. Okay, so lots of troubleshooting. That's not making me feel very confident. All right, now we've got a user manual. So, okay. All right, we're going to put our batteries in here. We're not going to use batteries. Okay, we're going to use our adapter. So we will put this here. Okay. All right, and no idea what these are for. Okay. All right. we're going to plug this in. We're going to pour this stuff in through here. All right, and then we're going to just turn it on. So let's see how this is going to work. So we're going to put the fluid into the little funnel.
Fluid?
The bubble fluid. Careful. Go ahead, fill. You got to fill it all up.
I am.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, I know it's spilling everywhere.
Oh, really?
Hang on, let me see.
You're making quite a mess. Oh dear. You're dripping all over the place. Look.
How?
You don't see. Look.
Where's it? Oh, cause guess what? This is like
Open.
Oh, yeah, look, it's dumping in here. There we go. Oh, you're supposed to keep it straight up like that. So much for this.
Okay. So
Uh-oh. Hope I
What?
didn't put too much in it.
I don't know. Now turn. There's an on-off switch.
This button here?
Are you having a lot of fun?
I'm having a blast. You go get the bubbles. You go get the bubbles. Let me get the kids out here real quick. Huh? Want me to? Huh? Let me see it wired one across the head.
So I don't know if this is 500 bubbles a minute.
Let me count.
No.
Let me count to be sure.
Yeah.
I'll ask the kids. Hey, kids.
I'm
Say
gonna
hi.
count them, okay, guys? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
No, put those here.
It tastes real good. So you gotta
really
try it.
Fruity flavor.
Is it actually fun?
Ethan, they said it's 500 bubbles a minute. Ethan, they said it's 500 a minute. Tell me if it is.
Guys,
Let's
we're
count.
getting
We're
shot.
gonna count 'em. Don't get it in your eyes. Let's count them real
We're
quick.
getting shot.
All right, guys. Well, I'll put a. No, I'm just going to talk to them. I'm just going to put a link to this product video, and you can see if there's 500 bubbles. I think there must be.
How does he know? How do they know it's 500 bubbles?
I don't know. They probably.
I just counted them.
Somebody counted them.
How would you count them? How would you count them that fast?
Watch, just count them.
It could be 499.
No.
Then how do you count?
Count them, watch.
500.
How?
No. No, I ain't counting.
Hey guys, how you doing? Bubbles, take bubbles. Take the bubbles.
No, don't move that. It'll spill out there. Oh, you're pointing up the camera?
Where's the bubbles come from? Where's the bubbles?
The bubbles.
They blow it at me.
Alright.
Like
Daddy, I know.
Bubbles! This is how many daddies do.
Huh? Yeah?
We're going down.
That's a different solution that we have, and that's a lot. That's miracle bubbles, and look at the bubbles on that. Let me pull this back a little bit. Get away from the beginning. Yes.
It smells good.
It smells very fruity. Don't mind the hose because we're power washing and repairing the deck. Careful of the wire now.
That was Ethan, not me.
I know, but I'm telling you to be careful too. That's many more bubbles with that solution. Right?
Yeah. What?
And there you see our sheds on interesting sheds situation. There's another one behind me over here.
What, Lou? This looks good. catch one like this. Or you trying to blow your own? Try to catch
Watch
one.
it, watch it.
You try to catch one.
Wait, it's already on. Let me try to blow. Watch.
No, let's do this. Watch.
I know.
Let's catch one. Let me see. Okay. You ready to do that? Don't do that. You put it in your mouth.
Guys, I'm gonna do a challenge. Can they see me?
Yeah.
Tell me.
No, Luke. Oh, that's gross, Luke. Come on. Don't eat those.
Here, guys, the first bite's for you.
Oh, no, you've made a soap bubble on my lens. Don't do that.
Can you put it down here?
Wait, just hold on a minute. This is the shed situation, guys. Okay. Shed situation. That's 1, 2. That need to be moved off. Alright, well, it works pretty well. And it even took a tumble off there and still going strong, so
Still going strong.
we'll give it, how many thumbs up are you going to give this, Luke?
Let's
Is this
get.
2 thumbs up?
We gotta know. This is worth 20,000 likes.
20,000 likes?
And so, everybody watch this. You better go down there and smash that like button and also subscribe. You know?
That's kind of rude.
What?
Please, say please.
I said mean, please subscribe.
Smash the like.
Smash the likes. Let's get 20,000 likes on this and we'll do a crazy video. No, I'm just joking. I don't know. What would you do? If we get 20,000 likes, what would you do?
I don't know. What would you do?
Go to Las Vegas.
You'd go to Las Vegas?
Uh-huh.
What would you do in Las Vegas?
Eat.
Eat? What are you, 60 years old?
No. Not eat, play.
Play.
No, I don't know if I'll go to Las Vegas. I don't know, let them pick. How about? I'm gonna go back in.
Alright. Bye guys. We'll put a link to the video.
Here's
Put that in here. Put that in here. Put that stick in here. And where's the top? Bye guys. See you later.
Bye
Thanks
bye.
for
Hey,
watching.
hey, bye bye. Smash the like button, subscribe, please. Blah, 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 blah.
You can say goodbye also. I have the camera off for a few seconds. So just relaying that. Bye guys. Bye guys.